Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Parnami Infratech, and right now I'm standing in Sector 61 Gurugram. I'm outside the Smart World. This is the sample apartment that I'm going to show you today. I'm really excited about it because there are so many different amenities that you do not get to see in many other projects. But first, before I take you inside, let me just also tell you about the location. This is Sector 61 Gurugram. We have a 60-meter wide road just next to it, and which also connects us to the Golf Course Extension Road. The Sona Road is also just 5 minutes away. If you talk about the schools, then we have St. Xavier's, we also have DPS. If you talk about the hospitals, then we have Vedanta, and we also have the Fortis that you all are much aware of. We also have many shopping complexes and grocery stores for your needs within the vicinity. And now if you talk about the metro station, then we have Sector 54-55 nearby, just like 10 minutes away from here. So that's the rapid metro. We also have a really good connectivity. That's what it shows. Well, Hyatt Regency is just opposite, or I would say diagonal to Smart World. So it's very easy to locate. Now coming back to the project. So the project has to offer you many things. One of them is a multi-tier security. Then we have a sample apartment over there, and only there I will explain you all the kinds of amenities and facilities that they are providing. So I'm really excited. Let's go inside and check how beautiful the apartment is. Well, as of now, I'm standing outside the 3 BHK beautiful apartment by Smart World. The configuration is 1630 square feet. So let's just go inside and see what are the amenities that they are offering inside the apartment. The moment we enter the apartment, we see the living and the dining area. So the living area is quite huge. I must tell you that this is a sample apartment. The actual apartment is quite larger than how it looks. So this is just for your information. And also the lovely part that I like about the sample apartments is that it gives you an idea of how you can design your apartment. So that is our attached balcony, and let's just see that also. So आपके living area के साथ हमारी एक attached balcony आती है. It is also quite spacious. It's quite large. You can have all your chairs and table here, and you can enjoy your morning tea. Or you can also enjoy your lunch or even dinner, depending on how you decorate or you organize your balcony. So this is how it looks. Quite spacious. I can move around very easily. Now you have seen the living area, you've seen the dining area. That's quite beautiful. Right opposite to the dining area, we have the modular kitchen. So let's just see how it is. This is our beautiful modular kitchen. One thing that I must tell you is that you will get it as it is when you take the possession. You'll get the chimney, you'll get the hob, and you'll also get all the modular doors, you'll get all the soft close doors, beautiful marble over here, except you will not get the movable items like fridge or microwave or be it a washing machine. Any kind of those items will not be included while you take the possession. This is our, again, like I said before, very close to the dining area. So, whenever you are cooking inside the kitchen, you can easily come over here, serve to your guests, serve to your family, and just have a very easy and fun time over here. So, like I said, this is a 3 BHK apartment. One is just on the opposite side of me, and the other two are just behind me. First, I will take you towards the guest room over here, or depends how you want to utilize it. You can, give it to your guests, or you can keep it for your children or for your elder people. So, let's just go inside and check out how it is. This is how this first bedroom looks like. Quite spacious. Again, there's a lot of space to move around. There's also space for, side tables even after having the full bed size over here, which is a queen size bed. Then we also have a space over here which you can convert it into a wardrobe. It also has an attached bathroom, and it also has a balcony. So one thing that I love about this apartment is that all the rooms have attached bathroom, so you get your own privacy. You do not have to always go out and use the powder room or the common washroom. And all of them also have the attached balcony as well. So you can always have a great time in your own room and even in the apartment. So let's just first check out the bathroom over here. So this is how the washroom looks like. We have the vanity over this side with a little bit of storage space, the toilet seat over here, and then we also have the shower area separated by the glass. The fixtures and fittings are of Kohler, so the quality of the brand that they have used is also quite premium and also, well known. Now we have the attached balcony over that side. Again, this is as big as the first balcony that I showed you, which was attached to the living area. You can see over here, you can always have your good and chill time. If you're giving it to your guests, they'll enjoy the view from here. If you're giving to your children or, to the elder people in your house, they can also have a great time over here. So quite good size balcony, I would say. Let's go inside now. Now we've seen the bathroom, we've seen the room, we've seen the balcony. Let's move on and see the other bedrooms as well. So we have 2 bedrooms over here. That one is our master bedroom, but this one is for kids. So let's just see this one first and then we'll move on to the major part of the apartment. This is how the sample apartment's kids room looks like. Again, it gives you an inspiration of how you can have your decor or how you can design your kids' bedroom accordingly. You can see that there is a double bed over here, and then we also have a study table over here. So again, it's a very, very big room. You can move around easily. The kids can have a great time. They can play over this side. They can study over this side if they like art, music, whatsoever. There's enough space for that as well. Then we also have a cavity over here. So the cavity will something that you will get when you take the possession. You can again design it according to you. Then this is the attached washroom. Usually what I have observed while visiting many apartments and different brands, different builder floors, whatsoever, people do not make washrooms for kids inside the bedroom. Usually it is the common washroom that the kids' bedroom has, but this one has the good factor that all the rooms have a washroom. So that's like very good. This is the attached washroom. Again, it comes with the Kohler brand of fixtures and fittings. We have the toilet seat over here, the shower area over this side. And on the opposite side, we have the vanity along with the storage space. So now we have this attached balcony. Like I said, all the rooms have a balcony. Coming with UPVC windows, and then again, there's a lot of ventilation, there's a lot of lighting coming over here. There's not a lot of lighting inside the house, as in like we have not switched on all the lights. But you can still see that, we are glowing, it's huge, it's wide, it's bright, just because there's so much natural lighting over here. So I think the best part about the apartments these days is that you really need ventilation, and you really love to have a good time with natural lighting coming over inside the apartment. So this is a connecting balcony. It connects you from the kids' room to the main master bedroom. So the good part is that if you want to join your kids in the balcony, have a good time with them, fun time with them, play in the balcony, you can always join them here because it's the connecting one. So that's pretty cool, I think. Now let's go back inside and see the other parts of the apartment. Moving on to the major part of the apartment, that is our master bedroom. So this is our amazing master bedroom, quite large. Again, coming up with the cavity space over here. And then we have our TV space over here, so you can always have your electronics, your TV on this side while you enjoy and watch the games, watch the sports very easily. And then also, like I said, it's quite large, so again you can see that the side tables are also here, but I can still move around very easily. There's a lot of natural lighting coming over here. And we have the attached washroom. Again, coming up with the vanity over this side. This is quite large, bigger than the other washrooms that I've shown you before. So you can always have your toiletries over here very nicely and properly done. And then again, there's a lot of storage down below. Coming up with the toilet seat and then the shower area. One more thing that I like about the bathroom is that the fixtures and fittings are in golden color, so it gives you a little bit more premium look. So this is our connecting balcony that I've shown you before. So again, this is the same one, so we can leave it over here as you have already seen it. So this was all about this beautiful, beautiful apartment, and there are a few specifications that I would like to add up. You'll get vitrified tiles, you will get the modular kitchen, you'll get the balconies with all the rooms, which is absolutely amazing. You will get attached washrooms as well. And then again, like I said, this is a sample apartment. So the real apartment is quite large. So this was all about the apartment, but there are two more things that are left, and I'm really, really excited to tell you about that as well. There is one basement space that you get along with the possession of the apartment that can be converted into an office, or for a kids play area. You can also convert it into a study area, completely depending how you want to utilize. That's something unique and you do not get in a lot of projects. So I'll showcase it to you, and then only you will get to know what kind of facilities I'm talking about. Another thing, or I would say the second thing that I'm talking about, is the terrace. That's a beautiful and a humongous terrace. It comes with a skyline, and it's all connected with all the apartments. So basically it's one terrace for all the residents, but you get your separate space, so you can always have a good time over there. So let's just first go on the terrace, cover the whole area. The weather is absolutely amazing, and then we'll go in the basement and I'll show you the office space. Let's go. So this is the beautiful, huge, I would not say huge, it's like more than huge, humongous terrace that you get with the possession of the apartment. Smart World has done a great job over here. You get the skyline. So the skyline is basically a concept that you get over here, is that all the apartments that are there in the building or in the 4+ tilt structure, they are all connected with the terrace. So basically this is going to be like a very large terrace. Here you can have a great time. All the apartments will get a separate section. Basically, this will be given to one apartment, this will be given to the another apartment. So here all the families can have a great time together. One more thing that you get is a gazebo that you can see. Basically a build-up structure to more aesthetic look. And now let's move on. So this is just to give you an idea of how you can decorate your terrace. You can see, imagine you sitting over here and then your neighbors or your, other parts of the apartment sitting over here, and you can always have a great time with each other, connect with like-minded people. So the concept is not seen in a lot of projects. This is something unique that I have seen or, I have covered so far. Again, the gazebo is on both the sides of the terrace. This side also and that side also. This can be converted, or you can use it for your own personal preferences also, be it a small function that you can do on the terrace, knowing that it is a connecting one, so you can always utilize it. Although you do get a separate space, but you can always enjoy the whole terrace and the weather. Right now the weather is just amazing, so I know the feeling that when you come upstairs and the weather is great, it's a festive season, your family is sitting here having a barbecue, eating their dinner or lunch. This is just an absolutely wonderful thing to have. So this was the beautiful terrace that I've shown you just now. Now let's go downstairs in the basement and see what's the space that they are providing you and how you can utilize it. Well, as of now, I'm standing in the basement, and this is the office area that you get with the possession while you take the apartment. So this is quite exciting because this is something that you do not get in every project. As you can see, this is humongous. This is quite humongous. You can have all the settings over here, and on the opposite side also you can have all the storage space. So well, I am considering it as an office space. However, you can convert it the way you like it, be it office, be it a space for children, a kids area, and even if you want, you can convert it into a space for your bar. or you can convert it into a study area, you can convert it into a music area, painting area. For all kinds of activities, absolutely depend on you. So this is quite amazing. You do not get something like this in every project. So I just love this concept that you have a separate space. You know, knowing that in COVID times we all have work from home concept, we all are going towards that. So this is something that gives you an opportunity to feel like you're working in the office and you can concentrate as well, however you are still close to home. So this is something that what they have designed, but again it depends how you would like to design your space over here. So now let's talk about the facilities that Smart World has to offer you. One of them is Clubhouse. Now in Clubhouse you get almost all the world-class amenities that there should be in a project, be it a humongous swimming pool, be it restaurants, be it indoor games, outdoor games, and also steam rooms, spa room, and space for you to read, write, have a discussion with your friends and family. It's quite large, the Clubhouse. And also there's a parking space that you get along with the possession of the apartment. You get 1 car parking space. The good part is that there is exit and entry from both the sides, so it's open from here also and then from the back side as well. Along with that, there's also a very beautiful lobby. So there your guests or the service guy or anybody who's there to meet you can wait there and have a great time as well. While you give the permission, only then they can go upstairs and have a great time with you as well. So now this was all about this beautiful project Smart World, the 3 BHK apartment that we have shown you. Along with that, you also get this space, which is the office space, or you can convert it the way you want it. So I hope you've liked it, and if there is any question, any query, you can contact us on the below mentioned details and we will help you out. With that, you can also like, subscribe and share if you like the video. You can also leave a comment and we will get back to you. Thank you so much.